Hello YouTubers, back again. I just picked up this 1947 Westinghouse fridge for next to nothing. I couldn't turn it down. I've got the bottom door, it's right there. I've got to put a bracket back on it, but to be as old as it is, the customer told me that it wasn't working. So I get it home, plug it up, and it's running like a champ. I mean within 10-15 minutes we've already got ice all the way from the top of the coil to the bottom of the coil. I put some old ice trays in here just for kicks, but all in all, it just needs a good cleaning. Like it's got about 80 years of crud build up on it, but the only thing as far as damage wise on the inside of the fridge that I've noticed is the glass right there is missing, and it might have had another drawer over here. I'm not certain if it did or not, but definitely not a bad looking fridge for its age. And like I said, I've got this this bottom drawer right here. It's actually, I want to say it's aluminum insert. I've just got to put the brackets back on the bottom. For some reason they're loose or off or something, and everything looks all original. I've got good heat coming off the top of the condenser coil. Of course, you get down here towards the bottom, it's a lot cooler. Here's the badge. Let's see. It's a model B7-47, which is 1947. There's the model number, made in the USA, serial number. Here is the Freon 12, and then the model number, and amps, running amps 3.2 amps, only holds 1 pound of R12. Good thing. It's hard to find R12. Of course, you can get the replacements for it. But all in all, I'm pretty pleased. Everything looks pretty good. Here's the old motor. This thing is like a tank under here. And I can tell it's still all the original wiring. It'll have to be rewired. New door gasket. It's totally frosted over. The liner of the door is in great shape. But that's another future project. I'd like to give a shout out to David A1. I'm not certain what the rest of his YouTube channel is, but I actually do heating and air for a living, but I'm really fascinated by these old refrigerators, how well built they used to build stuff here in America, and how they last forever. And it's like now everything they build is to buy it for 5 or 10 years, throw it away, buy a new one. That's about it on this one. See you on the next one. Thanks.